Hi guys, welcome to Tune Basics, the series that teaches you how to play the basics. Today, we'll be taking another look at that famous American classic Yankee Doodle and how to play it on a tremolo harmonica with 16 holes. Here we have a tremolo harmonica with 16 holes in the key of C. As you can see, I've numbered every hole from 1 to 16, 1 being the lowest note and 16 being the highest. Now if your harmonica is not numbered, don't worry, just assume that the lowest note is 1, the note after that is 2, the note after that is 3, and so on, until you get to the number 16. For this tutorial, when you see this red arrow, it means blow into your harmonica. And when you see this blue arrow, it means breathe in through the harmonica. Got it? Good. Let's take a close look at phrase 1. Blow into 11 twice. Breathe in through 14. Blow into 13. Blow into 11. Blow into 13. And breathe in through 14. And practice this until you end up with something that sounds like this. For phrase 2, blow into 11 twice. Breathe in through 14. Blow into 13. Blow into 11. And breathe in through 12. And practice this until you end up with something that sounds like this. For phrase 3, blow into 11 twice. Breathe in through 14. Blow into 13. Breathe in through 16. Blow into 13. And breathe in through 14. And practice this until you end up with something that sounds like this. For phrase 4, blow into 11. Breathe in through 12. Blow into 9. Breathe in through 10. Breathe in through 12. And blow into 11 twice. And practice this until you end up with something that sounds like this. For phrase 5, breathe in through 10. Breathe in through 12. Breathe in through 10. Blow into 9. Breathe in through 10. Breathe into 12. And blow into 11. And practice this until you end up with something that sounds like this. For phrase 6, blow into 9. Breathe in through 10. Blow into 9. Breathe in through 8. Blow into 7. And blow into 9. And practice this until you end up with something that sounds like this. Now phrase 7 is exactly the same as phrase 5. So let's move on to phrase 8. Breathe in through 10. Blow into 9. Blow into 11. Breathe in through 12. Breathe in through 14. and blow into 11 twice. And practice this until you end up with something that sounds like this. Now try putting all these phrases together. And there you have it. And remember, if you're the kind of person who prefers learning the harmonica using tabs, you can check out my tabs page. There's a link in the description below. And until next time, stay tuned.